This direction now na meron tayong 421 ghost projects, mas mapapadali yan.
Madaling i-establish yung liability and accountability kapag ghost project. Hindi na mahaba yung yung case build up noon. So mas mabilis tayo hopefully makakapag-file ng mga kaso.
Kung ako tatanungin, magtayo na lang ng bagong DPWH eh. Kasi I think it will take years and years for Secretary Vince to clean up.
The Public Works Department has identified at least 421 out of over 8,000 projects that do not exist. In short, ghost projects, the number of which could easily go up as investigators from the PNP, AFP, and the Department of Economic Planning and Development go through thousands more contracts. Question is, how much taxpayers' money was lost to these projects? Well, DPWH Secretary Vince Dizon did not provide further details on that. What's clear to him is most ghost projects were found in Luzon and involved the top contractors named by President Marcos. There are other new companies that came up as well. For Dizon, at this point, the wheels of justice could start grinding from new information they submitted to the Independent Commission for Infrastructure or ICI.
Yung ghost kasi yun ang low-hanging fruit yun. Meaning madaling i-establish yung liability and accountability kapag ghost project. No? Kasi ghost nga. No? Hindi na mahaba yung yung case build up noon. So mas mabilis tayo hopefully makakapag-file ng mga kaso.
Kung meron mga ibang distrito, regions na pwede namin tignan, kompleto na yung mga dokumento at mga ebidensya din, puntahan natin yan. No? Now with this direction now na meron tayong 421 ghost projects, mas mapapadali yan.
Aside from flood control projects, the DPWH will also verify farm-to-market